Hi, I'm Alex from the T-Rex Media House, and this is 3 quick ideas on where to use video in your marketing. So number 1 is video your frequently answered questions. Think about all those questions which you get asked all the time and make sure you record your answer to those questions, because what happens is people will have the same questions, and it'll be from prospects who are visiting your website or looking at your social media and are thinking about buying your product or service, but they're not. And that's because there will be some sort of resistance somewhere. There's some question that they need answering so they can make that buying decision. So if you put your frequently answered questions up there onto your website, onto your social media, that buying resistance will then drop, which means they're more likely to buy from you because they've got all the information which they need. And again, if your existing customers are contacting you about a certain issue or question and you're answering that question over and over and over again, you can send them a personal video message, which is a lot more personal sometimes than an automated email response. And it's the perfect way to get that like, know and trust from them, which means you'll keep that customer and you'll have more rapport with that customer over time. So number 1 is always video your frequently answered questions. Boom! Number 2 is YouTube advertising. YouTube is massive nowadays, and it's because people are constantly going on there to find certain answers to certain questions which they have. And as a business, you can start to market and target your specific clients by using Google's algorithm of finding what age they are, what sex they are, what gender they are, how old they are. You can pick all those metrics and just target the people who you want to find it, and you can even search for what they're looking for. So if you're a social media company, you can target people who are looking at social media topics, and you can become that expert that they go to. And it's just getting that another touch in that marketing process. Just constantly touching them, saying, hello, we are here, we're a business, come and say hello and come and meet us. And it's breaking down that like, know and trust. And so you're the person to go to from YouTube advertising. You're going to get the guaranteed views. And we're not talking about quantity views. We're not talking about millions and hundreds of thousands of views. We're talking about good quality people who you want watching your videos. So there's no point targeting that 15-year-old kid. What you actually can do is target those 45 to 55-year-old women who are looking at business services. And that is the best way to market your product on YouTube. And number 2 is YouTube advertising. Number 3 is stop blogging and start vlogging. Video is the king of content, and so instead of writing a text out, start recording yourself speaking about the latest thing that's been happening in your business or something about your services or the history of the industry that you're in, because you're going to become the expert more than your text is. I know you can get someone else to write a blog for you, but when it comes to creating a video, the passion comes across, especially if you're the person in that organisation doing that video. The passion will come across. You don't have to be an expert in creating video content. All you have to do is point a camera at yourself, just like I'm doing now, get some natural light outside and speak about what you're passionate about. And that's going to sell your products and services a hell of a lot more than any text or blog will do. And start vlogging. Celebrities have been doing it for ages now. You and your business need to be doing it as well. If you've got 100 people on Instagram, start talking to them on your Instagram account, because that video is going to be a lot more powerful than just a post, because people will watch it and get it and understand it. And if you're worried about people wanting to read instead of watching, put subtitles on, and then they'll just read from the subtitles. And so that is number 3. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully those 3 ideas have given you some inspiration in starting your own video marketing strategy within your business. I've got 2 strong calls to action. Number 1 is subscribe to this YouTube channel. It gives me a great idea if you guys like the content that I'm making. I'll happily make a lot more of these types of videos. So please make sure you subscribe. And number 2 is visit our website, which is www.trxmediahouse.co.uk. Drop us a message on there and let's have a chat about how we can start to do some video marketing together. I'm Alex from the T-Rex Media House. We'll see you soon.